Da-da-dun-dun. Okay. Beginner lessons will start shortly. I get things set up here real quick, and I'm going to teach. Got 2 today that I'm going to teach, so hey, enjoy the video. I'll get right back with you. Got to tell you, it's Eddie's Pottery. I will show you all these steps right here that you'll go through. The first one will be coning. We'll be coning the piece, the clay that we'll put on the bat. Then we'll make a little a little puck. Then we'll open it up just a little bit. After we've done that, then we'll open it up the rest of the way, and then we will make a, looks like a little volcano, but it's we'll open it up some more, and then we'll put our fingers inside of it and raise this piece to be higher, and then at the end you'd be like making a cylinder. So it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps that you're going to do to make your piece. Okay. And that's what we're going to try for first. We'll try to make a cylinder first, a little vase or a little like a little glass or a mug or whatever, and that's what we're going to do first. Yeah, record. Okay. Yeah. Yep. So, do you know what you want to make out of this? No idea? Don't know if you want a mug, a cup, or a bowl, or a vase, or...
I think I'll make a mug.
A mug? That means we get to put a handle on
it. Actually, a vase.
Huh?
Vase.
A vase? Leave her about there. And actually, you saw what I was doing with this, like credit card or whatever. It smooths out the outside of it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Like, you take your hands and you get the card wet, your hands are wet, and then you take it and you start to cut away from the outside of it a little bit. Go ahead and try that a little bit. Just nice and easy. Nice and easy. Yeah. And okay, now pull it away. And then you scrape it off. Yeah. And do it again. Yep. It'll cut it off. And, okay, and then take it, put that back over there and scrape it off some more. A little at a time. Yep. And go up a little bit. See how that, it opened it up, and but yet it smoothed out that inside with, and then the outside, this outside card then made that even smoother. Now you take your piece of now I want to do one more thing. I'm going to use this tool, and I'm going to cut bit of this off right here, like so. That's okay. And okay, now get your piece of leather that's in there getting soft. And it is. It should be good and soft. Now, I'm going to slow this down even a little bit more. I ain't doing nothing. You just lay it over the top of it. Yeah. And just let it, yes, just like, let it go around. What that's doing is smoothing that all. Yeah. The next piece will be much harder because I'm going to let you do it. All of it. No. I'll cone it for you because most people have a hard time. Okay, Kate.
You want me at?
Hey, Eddie.
Yeah.
Is my garage door open?
In my coat pocket.
I just want to go out and look at my sticks.
Oh, she's looking at your sticks. I mean, she's getting ready to make something. Yeah. Leather.
Okay.
All right. Now, let me see here. This. Okay. Okay. Brakes. Got brakes? Oh, brakes. Okay, now what we do is we take some mud. Here, let me show you something. This is what I do. That way everybody's stuff doesn't get mixed up. So, it's going to be an R with a D. And that's you. And then what I do is I'll take that. And we'll put it over here in the drying shelf. Over there on the drying shelf. And that way, yeah, I just run the wheel real slow. And then take that rag and wipe it off. Yeah. Did you? Okay, Katie, you're about done.
My nails.
Your nail.
There was like a right there.
Oh, here, I'll show you how to get that out. Speed up just a little bit. That's good, right there. Okay. Take that, I'll just... Okay, that's good. Oh, yeah. And get a little mud off here to the side and then... Alright. Okie doke. Now we do it all over again. Get yours off of there. I'll get you another bat. That's what these are called. These are called bats.
I was curious how. I didn't know if it was a plate or how you got them off. Or...
Alright.
It's been a long time since I've done pottery.
Alright. Now. Okay. Remember what you did in the beginning? That's right. Clean your bat. Now that you got that, get rid of your sponge. Make your ball. Okay. Wonderful. Yeah.
Are you left-handed, Brian? No. Okay. Just thinking for some left-handers that might be difficult.
It's like I want to skip like 4 and 5 and just go straight to 6. And like,
Exactly, right?
You want to skip a whole bunch of steps?
yeah, I'm
Well-
just gonna skip some steps and be like, yeah, I'm gonna make a plate.
There you go.
I mean,
Go from the puck to the plate.
puck to a plate. It's like a lot of people, after a while, they go so fast. When you watch them, they're not skipping the step. They're doing the step. They're just going so fast with their hands that they're done and over with before you even realize it. The steps move so quick once you've done it quite a few times. It's next weekend. We have
They're little girls.
3 more that are in
3 to 10-year-olds.
3 more 10-year-olds next next weekend.
Oh wow.
Yes, and they all go to Mount Zion, don't they?
Isn't that Molly?
Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, that one there, and I got this one over here. That one's totally different. Got a pedestal to it, and we've got all these pieces over here that was done today. So did everybody like it?
Mm-hmm.
You did? You like pottery?
Yeah.
All right, that's all that matters. So, okay, Eddie's Pottery, saying bye for now. We'll show you the next upcoming video before long. I got this one down here still. I'm making more mud. So hey, say bye for now.